National Chamber of Commerce and Industry, KEPSA, so that we can be able to commercialize the innovations that the youth are coming up with out there. Over and above that, as you are aware, the President appointed the Presidential Working Party on Education Reforms, and arising from our presentation and our interaction with the task force, we know very well that sooner we will have a research fund, the National Research Fund, well articulated so that we have funds for research by the universities. We also have funds for innovations at all levels, both at university and at tertiary level. And therefore, I wish to assure our TVET trainees who are in this room and those who are out there that beginning July, there will be funds to support you in the walk towards your innovation. Some of the projects you have require 100,000, others 20,000, others 150,000. We are deliberate and we are sure we have been given an ear by the task force, and there will be an opportunity for these trainees to access those funds so that they can do better in their innovations. I wish to emphasize that research and innovation ideally is meant to remove the cocoons that we normally have, but it has not done so. I wish to emphasize that there is need for us to do collaborative research, which is even much bigger and which even offers greater opportunities. I don't know, I was supposed to come at the end, but now I've come at the start. I don't know whether there is any collaboration of research between the Nyandarua National Polytechnic and maybe Rift Valley Institute of Science and Technology, or the Nyandarua National Polytechnic and TVET, or the Nyandarua National Polytechnic and the Ministry of Education, because we are also there. We can collaborate on research. The universities which are present, University of Nairobi and Nyandarua National Polytechnic, is there a collaboration where we have a research that is going to be presented? They have worked together.
The conference has become a must to survive in an academic discipline, and many academicians have become aware of this fact as the number of conferences and participants increased dramatically. So we look forward to building synergies and collaborations. Our guest of honor, in my view, there was no better way to ensure our response to the call for resilience and sustainable economy is truly meaningful than to involve the people we aim to serve. These are the importance that the knowledge we generate, the innovations we come with, and the technology we develop should go towards uplifting the lifestyles of people we serve. The outcomes of this conference will therefore have no meaning unless they reach the end users or they are put into practical use. Otherwise, we shall have volumes and volumes of knowledge